Pabayada say Adom kase na uguso shano. Ahaya kokromoti power election headquarters dead spices wonti ene de bro yensha se dia mampani abede akire awoye franka tuni de man PP amanyoko no de atudwa chiremu se Sewua government hospital ne Afari military hospital e wa Asante mantemu no yenhwe ni mu se wie be ages bosome wa fi mu de na fi ase ye adwuma mu nsam AdomTV etwaso.
Vice President Dr. Mahamadou Bawunia Asante eye Frankatuni New Patriotic Party MPP amanyoko no akohia eye professionals awomo ewo apomudin ewonsemu ewo Asante mantem enhyiemu nase no ana chairman no eneda Ghana Medical Association ewo Asante mantemu Dr. Paakwesi Bedu edetudwa ahokyere wo konfanochi ayaresabia ehun behia se ayaresabia hodo project no abani bewi.
The people who will be voting for you are not just those here. They are the patients who are sitting in chairs for 2 days. We have 2 hospitals that are complete or almost complete, and they have facilities which Confanoche, which is the major referrals facility, doesn't have. The military hospital at Afari and the Sewua hospital. They have facilities. Mr. Vice President, if you've not been there, I will urge you to pass by these facilities. We've dressed this equipment beautifully. So, you, as the Vice President, still has the power to make sure that these facilities are commissioned to serve the purpose for which they were built. And that is the message of the Ghana Medical Association.
Vice President, and so just say.
I think that if we want a Confanoche teaching hospital to perform, it cannot perform without those resources. And I think that you've made particular reference to 2 hospitals that are almost done. Sewua, which is a regional hospital, and Afari Hospital, which is a military hospital. I think that we expect Sewua to be commissioned. I think hopefully by next month, July, he tells me. So if all goes well, Dr. Asante is assuring me that we can commission July in Sewua, and by August commission Afari as well.